Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dennis from Spotahome. We're here in Valencia. We're gonna check out a really nice apartment. Okay. First off, we're gonna see pretty much what we've got inside of this apartment. Okay. So overall, it is a pretty big apartment. We have to think that we got 4 bedrooms. We got 2 bathrooms, one of which is ensuite from bedroom number 1. Okay. Sorry, from bedroom number 2. So we got 2 bathrooms, one belonging strictly to bedroom number 2 or mainly, and the other one for the other 3 bedrooms. As we mentioned, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, we got 1 kitchen, and we got the entrance. Okay. Apart from this, we also got 1 balcony, which is attached mainly to bedroom number 1, and also we got a kind of interior gallery which is attached to 3 of the other bedrooms, but we got the access only through the 2nd bedroom. Okay. So it is a pretty big apartment overall. As we will see, bedrooms are really spacious, really wide open, so that's really nice because we got a really nice and chill open atmosphere throughout the whole apartment. Kitchen's also pretty wide and pretty long, so that's really important. And at the end of the same kitchen we find this kind of gallery, okay, where we got some extra space for storage. Overall, everything is super neat, looking really neat and tidy, really clean too. Decoration is super modern, everything's super equipped, so we find beds, we got bed linen, we got desks, we got wardrobes, televisions inside our own bedroom. As we mentioned, 1 gallery and 1 balcony attached to 2 of the bedrooms. So overall, really neat distribution and really nice. We're also situated pretty much in the neighborhood of Ruzafa, which, as you may know, is a really iconic neighborhood of Valencia. It is really nice because we got a lot of activities that we can do. It's also really popular, so that's always a plus. Okay. And at the same time, we got all the services that we need. Also, we can go pretty much walking to the city center. It's not like super near, but it's pretty near, so we can literally go walking, and that's really chill. So we're gonna start off over here checking out bedroom number 1, as we mentioned, with its balcony. Okay, gonna look a quick distribution. So entrance over here. Bedroom number 4 would be this door, which we're gonna check out just in a second. And then we go to this entrance, which extends in this pretty long corridor, where we find kitchen. Okay. If we go over here, we got the bathroom. Over here, we'll find bedroom number 3, bedroom number 2, and the ensuite bathroom for bedroom number 2. As you can see, we got this door, okay, but we got this bathroom mainly for this bedroom. So now we're gonna head back into the entrance space. Okay, over here, as you've been seeing, everything's looking really neat, really tidy. Also, really nice colors throughout the whole apartment. Okay, we got these soft tones with these kind of whites and wooden colors. And we're gonna first off head over here ourselves. Okay, so you can see this would be exactly what we would see if we just went through the entrance door. We got this space over here where we can hang our coats really neatly. Really useful to have them just besides our entrance door. And before going out through this entrance, we're gonna slightly turn ourselves to the right, where we find, as we mentioned before, bedroom number 4. Okay, going over here, we got our own key, so really important if we want to lock the bedroom from the inside and from the outside. We find single-size bed over here. We got our bed linen included. We got a table with some drawers and a fan. On the top, we find a picture. Okay, turning to the side, we got this kind of chest of drawers where we got some space for storage. Also, we got the space in the top. We got also this piece of equipment where we can hang our clothes so they can dry. We got this window, which is equipped with some blinds and this curtain at the same time. And as we mentioned, we got the views of this kind of interior gallery that we're going to check out just afterwards. And over here, we got a glass desk, we got a table, we got a television. And over here, we find this interior wardrobe. Okay, this built-in wardrobe, as we can see, which is pretty massive. Okay, it pretty much goes from the bottom up until the top, nearly reaching the ceiling. Okay, so we got plenty of space for our storage. Now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna continue through the entrance. Okay, turning now to the left to check out bedroom number 1. Also with our own key, as you can see, very important. And this is a pretty massive bedroom. Okay, as you can see, we got all kinds of equipment, starting off over here to the right with this table, which is surrounded by 4 really nice chairs. We got some pictures decorating the walls. Over here we got a table, we got a couch, we got a picture decorating the wall. We got this chest of drawers with 3 drawers and a fan on the top. Okay, we can check out also the interior of the drawers over here. To this other side, we got this massive standalone wardrobe. Okay, we got kind of 2 wardrobes set up, so really nice. Also mirror in the center, and we can check out the interior too over here. Okay, so really nice and neat. Everything's really new, as you've been seeing. And now continuing over here, we got this super cool setup of the television attached to the wall with a piece of furniture also just underneath it. Turning to this side in a straight line, we got this double-sized bed, really nice and neat. We got also kind of same exact chest of drawers, okay, to the other side of the bed. And really important too is that we got the space where, as you can see, leads us the access to the balcony, also made out of glass in the center, so we're letting the light pass through. We got our blinds, and we also got our curtains. Okay, we're gonna check out now the balcony over here, okay, which is this spot. And we got this kind of street views over here. Okay, got some restaurants just underneath too, and that's really nice. Going back in, we're gonna head and cross this door over here, go in a straight line where we find some pictures decorating really neatly these walls, and we access the kitchen over here. So really big, really wide, really long. Okay, starting to the side we find our fridge, we got our microwave, we got our cooking fires, we got our oven just underneath. We find several different drawers. Over here we also got our sink. We got more space in the top for storage. Okay, over here we got our washing machine, completely brand new, as we can see. And as we mentioned before, we also got this access to this gallery space, so it's really wide overall. Over here we got this space open, so also we're letting the wind come inside. And we got some more space for storage. Going back over here, we see that we got a table, so if we want to have something quick for dinner, just chill over here. We got 4 chairs and a table. Going now through this door once again, we got the rest of the parts of the apartment. Okay, so first off, turning to the left, we find the bathroom as we saw before. We got our sink, okay, really neat, really clean. We got a mirror on top of it. To this side, and really nicely fit into this corner, we can see that we got the shower. Okay, and over here we got our toilet. Now turning to this side, we can see that we cross this door. Okay, and we can check out bedroom number 2 with its own ensuite bathroom. But before that, we're gonna turn to the right to check out bedroom number 3. We go inside and we find also our own key. We got a double-sized bed with bed linen included. Everything's really neatly settled. We got a table with 2 drawers and a light. We find also this window which has exact same views of this gallery that we're gonna check out just in a few moments. Television set up in the wall really neatly, as you can see from this angle. And we got a chest of drawers with also a fan. Turning to this side, we got more equipment. So we find first of this desk made out of glass with a chair. And over here we got these built-in wardrobes, okay, with plenty of space to store our clothes or whatever we need. Okay, so we're gonna head now through this door. As we mentioned, we got separated the bedroom first off by this door with the key. And we find to the left hand side this ensuite bathroom, which is really nice and neat too. So starting off to this left hand side, we find our shower, okay. We got a mirror, we got a sink which is pretty wide, and the rest of the equipment to this side. Now we're gonna head into the rest of the bedroom through this door, and we find double-sized bed, okay, some pictures decorating the walls, 2 tables at each of the sides of the bed, also with a fan. We got these interior wardrobes. Pretty much, as you can see, all of this wall is filled in by this built-in wardrobe, so we're gonna not have any problem to store our clothes. Also, if we turn to this side, we got a really nice setup with this chest of drawers, television, okay, in a straight line from the bed. And also we find really cool feature. We got these 2 doors, and we access the space that we've been mentioning through the video before. Okay, so really chill. We got a table, got 2 chairs, can also be used to dry our clothes. So overall, really neat. Okay, now we're gonna go back inside. And guys, this has been the visit for today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. Hope you really enjoyed this tour, and let's see you in the next one.